Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is April 7th, 2025. We're going to be purchasing a brand new 50k TopStep trading account. And I'm going to walk you out through the process, what it takes to pass it, get funded, and get a payout. Literally, I'm going to show you guys the whole process. So we're going to start with going to TopStep, right? Check it out. This is how you purchase 50k eval, 50, 100, or 150k eval. Today, we're actually just going to be doing the 50k starting minimums. And we're going to get it locked in. I'm going to teach you guys what it takes to become a funded futures trader as least capital possible up front. $50 is our buy-in. In order to pass this eval, we need to hit 3k profit in whatever time frame that is. We could trade a max position of 5 cons, max loss limit 2,000, but we have a daily stop loss limit of 1,000. So it is basically the account with the biggest leverage, the most headroom compared to the 100k and the 150k. And you can also buy 5 of these accounts and copy trade them. I like using TradeOvate just because it goes straight in with TradingView. They're synchronized. As this payment is processing, as you guys already know, you got the black coffee, bro. Have to have the coffee. That just keeps us going. I agree. Account was just purchased, $50 in, and this is how the dashboard looks once you purchase the account. I always say no thanks to that. You don't need that. So as I said, April 7th today, gotta reach $3,000 in profit. That's hitting $500 5 times. Simple math. $1,000 daily loss limit. Greatest day cannot be 50% of your profit. So basically, you can, but then you're gonna have to cover what you made. But basically, shoot for $1,500 a day if you want to pass it in 2 days. Don't try to get more than $1,500, or you're gonna break that consistency rule. It's not gonna terminate the account. As I said, you're just gonna have to make some more profit to cover what you made extra. But they just have these rules in here to help you with your discipline, consistency, and give you an actual trajectory of what to aim for. Anyhow, we just got the account. Let's open up my trading view and see what we can do. See if there's any opportunities. It is 7:38. Nasdaq has been going crazy, bro. These Trump markets are dangerous, man. They're definitely not friendly. We're more on like a capital risk preservation right now. To log into your TopStep account on TradingView, come here, click Trading Panel, scroll, find TradeOvate. Go ahead and put your information, log in, and boom, now you're in your fresh account. 50k TopStep account. All right, looking pretty cheeky. Expecting this. Man, my data is lagged. It's not even showing my indicators or anything. I mean, my drawing. I tell you, it's very frustrating right now. I don't know what's going on with all this data, with all the lag on the data, but it's honestly ridiculous. Beyond delayed. The router's right there, like it's about 5 bars of Wi-Fi. Router modem's right there. I don't know what's going on with this data. It's definitely not cool. I used to load up on my phone. I doesn't even want to load up on my phone. Look, excuse the mess, bro. I just woke up. Just trying to get it in for y'all, man. Trying to show y'all the process. Popping up on my phone a little bit, but doesn't want to load on here. I click to go on the chart, and this is what happens, bro. Crazy. Popped up on screen now. Let's go. Respecting here. Bullish momentum, 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 to 2 break low, 45 seconds to 5 minute close. Wick reject, gonna reject. Respected that. I'm gonna go for really? Can't even buy in. That's crazy. Interesting. Can't even place a buy. Markets are too volatile. I think TopStep might have closed out trading for the day, boys. Oh, we have this. Perhaps we take a 1 con. Wait, let me show you guys the limit order. Real quick. 350. We're gonna look for some buys. I guess because the spread is so high. 2 contracts. Why does it say $700 risk? That's weird. Should not be $700 risk. Let's see. See if we could get bought in this buy limit order. This is what we're looking for. Just got bought in. See how the market treats us today. Yeah, these markets are a little weird. I don't know why it's saying 175 pip stop loss. That's not accurate on a 3 minute. It's not accurate, but we'll let this trade run. I think I want 500 pips, bro. That's crazy. I think the volatility is just what's making the markets react like this, to be honest. But these numbers are not necessarily accurate. Leave the trade running. I'll be right back, okay? Awesome. So clearly you guys seen what just happened, right? We took that trade. It instantly flew up. We closed. I manually closed it right now. I was in the restroom, excuse me. Manually closed it right here. Why? Because not only were we in a bearish overall market this past week, but just this volatility and how the data is coming out, I don't like it. I don't like it at all, to be honest. It's a fresh account. We took the trade because it was an opportunity that presented itself. Clearly respecting these highs over here. That's what this yellow line indicated. We bought, boom, flew up, whatever you want to call it, support. We took buys. Had our stop loss on the lower swing if we didn't hold, and we literally just flew. We flew to TP. The reason you guys see me manually market execute close is because, as I said, I don't like today's data. Look at what happened, man. Look at what happened, bro. This is literally 7 o'clock already, bro. We flew up more than 1,000 points. I know you guys are not, most of you guys are not familiar with NASDAQ or how these markets work, bro, but 1,000-point move is murderous. Murderous. Smart money, bro. That's literally like trillions of dollars market makers making this move, man. With all that being said, in my rules, because we are a disciplined trader, working on consistently being a disciplined trader, correct? I logged into TradingView on my phone and I seen that my position was up $1,000 immediately. And in my rules that I just created, updated, look, let me open this guy up. Clearly we could have made more money, but I'm not tripping, bro. It's not about the money, it's about following the rules and following your system. I did what I had to do today. You get me? I'm trying to get to where I want to be. I'm not trying to get rich quick. So in my rules, profitable trading strategy. This is my literal strategy, right? This is why I took my trade today. Look, right here. If I make $1,000 immediately close and done for the day. And done for the day. 930 on a fresh account for one trade. And it took less than 20 minutes to do that. So we're done for the day. We're following our rules, sticking to the system. I'm following this, bro. It's not about the money. Because every time I want to hold it, bro, every time I go contrary to what these rules say, that I have factually and statistically over time experienced what happens when I don't follow these rules or don't stick to a system. Sometimes we enter trades and we don't know what we're looking for. We're up 1,000, now we want 1,500, and then it hits 1,300, but we didn't close. Market reverses, didn't manage the stop loss, didn't put your stop loss to break even, and now you're in a negative position, losing more than what you could have potentially made. Stomped out. That's the reality of trading. Follow your system, create rules, understand what the goal is for an outcome. Stop seeing every day as a trading day and see every week as a successful trading week. It's not about one trade, bro. It's about following the system you have that consistently over time has showed you have something there. Something that's going to be able to be profitable in the long run. Stuck to the system, executed on the charts, as you've seen. Some simple stuff, bro. Simple stuff. You guys literally seen when the market hit down here. I saw it fly. I was like, cool, we got that little pullback in a reach. This is what I see as well. Like, I already know my strategy, but we came to this fair value gap imbalance, supported after we just supported demand zone right here. Flew up, went to the 50, rejected, tried to claim, couldn't, flew up. Perfect entry, right? That was that trade. It could have been an SMT, wasn't, right? Could have been an SMT up here. Is it? Maybe. If we break through the trend line and start shorting, then sellers are going to step in. But that was that trade. That's the reason I closed it. I was literally sitting on the toilet, bro. My stomach was tweaking. I was sitting on the toilet. I logged into, this is using TradeOvate on TradingView. So I just logged in on my phone to see what was happening in the markets while I was in the restroom. And then clearly I saw that run and I just closed the position right here. Closed the position right there. Got the money. Account summary for the day, $931. I know you can't really see it there. Let me show you on screen. This is literally what I just showed you right now on my screen. So total P&L for the day, $931. Could have won more, but as I said, sticking to the system that has proven myself. As soon as I saw $1,000, bro, I was like, okay, done. Boom, closed. I didn't care if it retraced. I didn't care about, done. Tomorrow, coming back, and now we got some headroom. But anyways, what a great video. Today, I taught you guys how to go on TopStep, purchase your evaluation account for bare minimum $50, went into the market within 5 minutes, made 1,000 in bad condition markets. Like, that's what I don't think you guys are understanding. In bad condition markets, used 2 contracts, made $1,000, called it a day, got it all recorded for you guys. If you guys do like these live trades and the process and me explaining what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and the purpose of doing it, it's how to build discipline, consistency, and overall a better mindset when it comes to trading to be consistently profitable. Because a lot of us lack a system. A lot of us know how to trade, know how to do our technical analysis. We're great technicians, but what we struggle on is execution because we don't have a system to follow. At least that's what I find myself struggling with. Therefore, I'm no longer going to have an excuse to why I'm not seeing the success I want to see. I'm simply going to follow what I know what works. And I'm going to document it and show you guys, because we are literally limiting ourselves by not following what we know we need to do. But anyways, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me. I got 3.5, almost 4 years experience trading the live markets with live capital. All I have ever done in trading is trade with live capital. It's been a long journey, still definitely not where I want to be, but working towards it. I just want to show you guys the honest truth of what the reality is of this, because it's not just the technical analysis, it's execution, it's mindset, psychology, literally just having appreciation, respecting money, and having the resilience to keep on going, because sometimes we make outcomes worse than what they are in our head. And I know that's something that I struggle with sometimes. I put too much emotions in certain things where it shouldn't be taking that much emotion from me, because it's what we do, you know? As a trader, you're gonna lose. Like, it's inevitable. You're gonna take losses, so just manage that risk and cut the losses short. Flatten them out. You already know the market's gonna go against you, bro. As soon as you see that breakout and it's engulfing, flatten the trade. Just do it. You could live to trade another day. It don't hurt to take a $200 loss if you're consistently winning $600. You could flatten two negative $200 trades, bro. Take your third and profit. It's ridiculous, but it all starts with our mindset and how we're able to view opportunities. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my day. $1,000 secured for the day. Almost 1,000. You guys did see the position fly. And yeah, God bless you. Hope everyone's well. Stay safe, stay smart, trade smart, manage your risk, manage your emotions, because we're in here for the long term, bro. We're not here for a quick flip. Nah, we're trying to learn this skill and harness what the actual potential is in becoming disciplined and consistent. Yeah, hope you guys are blessed. Hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Talk to you soon. I'm gonna get working on uploading these videos. And as I said, excuse the mess. It is 8 in the morning. I'll talk to y'all. Take care.